Welcome to PopScrap.com. Today we're going to take a look at how to regrade some inventory using our new incoming inventory feature, our new regrade feature, also our new transfer inventory feature, and send that to outgoing, where then we can of course ship it and create a bill of lading. First of all, let's go ahead and take a look at some of our new buttons. We've got an add to inventory page, which we've had before. This allows you to select a location, select a material, and add the inventory and adjust the price for the addition of adjusting your inventory. Specifically entry dates and time for California CRV customers, where time and date is sensitive to when the inventory was brought in. If you go over to incoming inventory, you'll see the new incoming inventory page. This has a regrade feature, not a ship feature. So this allows us, for instance, if we wanted to regrade number 2 copper into number 1, we could of course go over to regrade, or we could select this button. Same functionality there, but let's go ahead and select that. You'll notice that we've got location ability. So we select a location. We go ahead and scroll down to our number 2 copper insulated, which is here. It'll show you that we have 50 pounds available. We're going to go ahead and regrade all 50 pounds, and then we're going to then go down and select our number 1 copper that we're going to put that 50 pounds into. We're going to go ahead and transfer 45 pounds, and then we're going to assume that 5 pounds of it was trash, and so we're then going to move those 5 pounds into trash. And that also lets us leave a note and says finished at 3:45 p.m. by Stacy. And so then we can of course hit the regrade button. That'll then create an actual regrade ticket, which then we can print that ticket, and it'll show us who and when the regrade was done, at what time, and what was the transaction. So it gives us a full regrade transaction type. And of course we can go down to reports and go down to regrade reports, and at any time you can see here that we've done 1 regrade today, and from inventory number 2 to inventory number 1, 45 pounds. So if we go over to our outgoing inventory, you'll see here that we've of course moved from our number 2 to our number 1, and we can now see how much inventory you have. From this level, of course, you could then ship your inventory. So you can either click the shipment button, or you can just go down and click ship. You can then select the location that you're wanting to ship from, add material. At this point, you could go to your copper number 1, add that to the ticket. You'll notice we have 991 pounds available to ship. We can click the edit button, and then of course we can ship out as many pounds as we need to, hit the update button. And of course we could continue to ship out at this point. We could hit copper number 2, and then you can see we have 44 pounds of that, so we can edit that, and let's ship out the 44 pounds of that and hit the update button. That then allows us to hit the ship material button. It then creates a shipping report. We then hit the print button, and we can send our truck driver on the way with our bill of lading. And of course our inventory has been updated. Now what has normally been our one inventory system has now been moved to outgoing. So all customers will automatically be defaulted to outgoing inventory, and then you'll have to opt in to use the new incoming, the new transfer inventory, which allows you to just do bulk transfers. And so this allows you to transfer either the entire group or transfer the individual material. And so if we were going to transfer aluminum sheet clean, let's say just directly over, you'll notice that we don't have any tonnage in there, and so we can select a maybe another material. Let's just select dirty here. You'll notice that we don't have any pounds in our incoming to transfer to our outgoing, and so that kind of gives you a good idea. If you needed to do a transfer, you could then do so. PopScrap is really so advanced, it's simple, and this video represents our new incoming, transfer inventory, regrade, outgoing inventory, shipping, reports. You can now see transfer, regrade, and shipping reports all on PopScrap.com. Thank you very much for watching the video. PopScrap, so advanced, it's simple.